Hey guys, it's Sydney Trains in New South Wales, Australian Channel speaking to you. I'm here at Austinmer, as requested by the awesome one 10 and Cameron Johnson. Just left platform 2, it was H1. Just going to give you a quick pound of the station. This is actually going to be a really short tour. The platform in view now is platform 1 for Sydney services. Platform in view now is platform 2, which is towards Kiama. Austinmer is part of the South Coast Line. There's the station building on platform 1. Platform 2 station building. I wonder if you can actually get in to there. Actually, you cannot. Austinmer station sign. And for the sake of it, just to make it a bit shorter or a bit longer, I'm going to tap off my Opal card. Sorry about that. And I just got a thing. So there's just the station looking towards Kiama. That's looking towards Sydney. Okay, and I'll just show you what the station view from here is.
Daddy, I was like this. Is it that way or that?
That's the station sign there. This is the thing. It says, for trains to Sydney Cross Bridge to other platform. So you can see it's a quiet station. Trains go every hour here. So yeah. Anyway guys, that was just a short tour. I'll be making a part 2, so don't worry. I'm gonna wrap now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and favorite the video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all at the next tour. Bye for now.